Our whole marriage is a sham.
Sham. Sham. Sham, huh? The thing that is not what it is.
You know what else is a sham though? The idea that we have a magnet which is having North Pole and South Pole. So there's nothing like a North Pole and South Pole. The only thing which we have is this grid. Okay, so there are so many atoms, all of them are all the electrons moving, all of them are aligned in same direction such that the entire current is in one direction. We talked about it, yeah. That can be seen here also. This is again a surface in which there are so many atoms, all of them are moving one particular direction such that the entire current is going through the surface like this. Similarly, if I cut through any part of it, I'll get the current in this same direction. Okay, now the question arises, if there are no magnetic poles, how a North Pole and South Pole are getting attracted, or how a North Pole and North Pole getting repelled? To answer that, we'll again see this small two magnets. Okay, and now I hope this is pretty much understandable, that understanding a magnet through a current carrying this circular wire or current carrying sort of solenoid, it's perfectly fine. Okay, in our grade 11 or 12 we study a solenoid by imagining it as a magnet, right? But now what I'm saying is, imagine a magnet as a current carrying solenoid. Clear? And there in laws of electromagnetism we had studied one thing, right? That whenever I have two parallel currents, they attract each other, and whenever I have two anti-parallel currents, they repel each other. And that's what's going to happen here. See, I am having this magnet, this is having North Pole here, okay, and this is having South Pole here. How can I see that? This current is flowing in this direction. No, just use the thumb rule and you'll get it. Okay, North Pole, South Pole. Similarly, this is having North Pole here, South Pole here. Yep. When I place them together, this is having South Pole, this is having South Pole again, so they'll repel. Okay, that means, and if I see it according to my laws of electromagnetism, these are two anti-parallel currents together. See, these are two anti-parallel currents, and anti-parallel currents always repel, so they are repelling due to that. Okay, however, if I put them something like this, okay, now they are parallel currents, they want to attract. So we got the idea that why two magnets actually attract or repel. Not because there are some intrinsic pole, mystical poles. No, it's just because of these currents.